Exploring the universe, mind-blowing galaxy facts. Galaxies can range in size from a dwarf with as few as 10 million stars to massive giant galaxies with 100 trillion stars. Each star orbits its galaxy's own center of mass, and it is estimated that there are more than 170 billion galaxies in the observable universe. Hey there, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonders of the universe. In today's video, we're diving deep into the mind-blowing world of galaxies. Get ready to have your mind blown as we unveil some astonishing galaxy facts. Without further ado, let's get started. What's a galaxy? Simply put, a galaxy is a collection of stars, planets, dust, and dark matter held together by gravity, which makes up a universe. Galaxies come in various shapes and sizes. There are so many different types of galaxies. Spiral, elliptical, barred spiral, irregular galaxies, the list goes on. And each type of galaxy has a different shape. For example, spiral galaxies, like our Milky Way, are usually long and thin with spiraling arms, while elliptical galaxies are more round or oval-shaped. Irregular galaxies have irregular shapes and often result from gravitational interactions between galaxies. Some galaxies are small, while others are absolutely massive. Galaxies are huge. The Milky Way, the galaxy that Earth is a part of, is 100,000 light-years across. That means if you traveled at the speed of light, it would take you 100,000 years to cross the Milky Way. And our galaxy is on the small side compared to some other galaxies out there. The largest known galaxy is IC 1101, about 6 million light-years across. That's big enough to fit over 1 million Milky Way galaxies inside of it. Did you know that galaxies are not just random collections of stars? They have a fascinating origin story. Scientists believe that the Big Bang occurred 13.8 billion years ago and started at the beginning of the universe. 180 million years later, the first stars began to ignite, and when the universe turned nearing 400 million years old, gravity began to pull and push galaxies into shape. Scientists still aren't completely sure how the galaxies formed. There are some theories that say that the galaxies were created from smaller clusters, called globular clusters, that contained around 1 million stars. Other theories indicate that the galaxies were created first and then the globular clusters came along. Astronomers are also unsure which stars were created with the gases from their own galaxies versus being created as they crashed into other galaxies. The most widely accepted theory is that galaxies formed from vast clouds of gas and dust called nebulae. Over time, gravity caused these nebulae to collapse, giving birth to stars. These stars then grouped together to form galaxies, creating breathtaking cosmic tapestries across the universe. The earliest galaxies are tiny compared to the ones we have today. When the first neutral atoms in the universe form, they're already clumped together, ever so slightly, into overdense and underdense regions of a particular size. Containing anywhere from a few 100,000 to a few million solar masses, these will form the seeds of the first star clusters. Over perhaps 50 to 200 million years, gravitation causes these first gas clouds to collapse and form the very first stars. When star clusters begin to gravitationally merge together, rapid star formation ensues, and it's at that point we can start to say that we've formed the universe's first galaxies. Even though they may be only a tiny fraction of the Milky Way's mass, perhaps 0.001% as massive as we are, these are, in fact, galaxies in their own right, containing stars, star clusters, planets, gas, dust, and even halos of dark matter. Some galaxies occur alone or in pairs, but they are more often parts of larger associations known as groups, clusters, and superclusters. Our Milky Way, for instance, is in the local group, a galaxy group about 10 million light-years across that also includes the Andromeda Galaxy and its satellites. The local group and its neighbor galaxy cluster, the Virgo cluster, both lie within the larger Virgo supercluster, a concentration of galaxies that stretches about 100 million light-years across. The Virgo supercluster, in turn, is a limb of Laniakea, an even bigger supercluster of 100,000 galaxies that astronomers defined in 2014. Galaxies and clusters often interact and even merge together in a dynamic cosmic dance of interacting gravity. When two galaxies collide and intermingle, gases can flow toward the galactic center, which can trigger phenomena like rapid star formation. Our own Milky Way will merge with the Andromeda Galaxy in about 4.5 billion years. Now, hold on to your seats because we're about to reveal a mind-blowing secret, the Great Attractor. It's not a superhero, but rather a mysterious gravitational anomaly. Located about 150 million light-years away, the Great Attractor is a gravitational force so strong that it influences the motion of galaxies in our local universe. Scientists are still unraveling its nature, but it's a reminder of how much we have yet to discover. What happens when galaxies collide? Contrary to what you might think, it's not a catastrophic event for the stars within them. When galaxies collide, their individual stars rarely collide due to the vast distances between them. Instead, the gravitational interaction causes dramatic distortions, tidal tails, and the birth of new stars. These mesmerizing collisions reshape the galaxies involved, creating new structures and fueling further star formation. The galaxy that we live in is interesting enough, but when you think about there is the possibility of there being trillions more out there in the universe, it does make you wonder what else is going on out there. These are only a few facts about galaxies, but there are many other incredible facts about galaxies yet to be discovered. If you're interested in more content like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.